Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 or 6:45 in the morning, I guess. I have a 2 hours and 45-minute car ride to Aaron's Family Fun Center. I'm not looking forward to it, but I am looking forward to bowling doubles with Brad. Let's hope we can do something cool, but even if we don't, maybe just like hit that subscribe button down below. So I got 3 hours in the car, 2.5 hours in the car, whatever it is. Hopefully a doubles title to win. See you at the bowl.
The left side is always easy. Throughout the course of the week, do lefties or righties have more success in this bowling?
Throughout the course of the week?
Throughout the course of the year.
The left is a trail.
The left's not great?
Oh, okay. So you're saying the left's not good.
All right, so here's the deal. We told you that the adjustment is to loft it, so I'm gonna take the camera and we're gonna watch this Packy loft. Here we go. See how much Packy's been practicing this loft game. He's already balked twice.
If I could find her at every shot.
Did that work or did that work?
I don't know if that works.
Are you gonna throw a 27 bagger now?
That's a lot of pressure, so yeah.
I need you. This is the shot that makes Packy go one-handed.
Brad said this was a shot that was going to make me bowl one-handed.
Calling it 8 10.
Two-game update, Brad. We're going sleeveless, game 3.
0 for 2.
All right, well, we're like plus 100.
We're getting smoked.
We're like 100 over. Pace is like 200. This is gonna be our game.
This is our game.
500 or no less.
1-6.
816.
Yes.
816. Cody, not 816. Packy, not even 600.
Good shot.
Hey, Brad, way to help me out.
That's what I do, man.
I know. Literally, we only bowl here, which is a problem.
Different day, same story. Same deal with Kyle, too. If I could just find a doubles partner, I'd do all right.
He better post this shot. can't let me win one?
I could have just thrown it like that. No, I can't let you. You said you're gonna beat me every game. You haven't beat me yet.
I can't beat you.
You shoot 279. You still can't beat me.
Can't beat me.
Before
Just tell us how it went.
talking about dinner, what this game?
Oh
Yeah.
my God, dinner.
Well, you finally showed up.
And
This is
and I still couldn't beat you.
the last vlog we had together was from the same center. I felt like it was going the same way.
You know what we talked about? Hold on. In the last vlog, we talked about not getting angry,
Yeah.
and it's the same story today.
We're not angry.
We're not.
Team calm.
To be fair, I bowled horrible my first 3, and I actually handled it pretty well.
You did. I'm proud.
You thought I handled well last time, and I was exploding. This time,
I was actually proud. The first few games.
I was a grinding.
It's that Wichita grind.
It's that Wichita mindset. Brad just doesn't have it. Tell him, Sarah. Tell him. It's that Wichita mindset.
Hey vlog, Sarah here. Thought I'd update the vlog because Packy's not. Pack's got 190 and Brad's got 210.
Thumb problem.
I don't know, man. Have you never had a 300?
Nope,
Were you nervous?
always.
You were nervous right there? Oh, come on. The knees are bad?
They was-
Good job, dude.
Brad's ready to kill somebody.
I'm not ready to kill someone.
Sarah's ready for queso.
We're team calm.
So hurry up.
We are team
Sarah's more
calm.
ready to kill someone than we are. She ain't even
She's
bold.
like, did someone say
She just
fight?
wants
Let's go.
Chips.
We are.
I feel better though because Tony missed a single pen in the attempt as well.
It always makes you feel better when everyone on our pair misses a single pin in the same
I
game.
know. And he's beating me, so if he did it, that means I can do it.
If he did it, then you can do it. Instead of trying to catch up, just match the lead. Great. Brad, what do we shoot in this game?
600.
Update. 600 is off the table. Frame 1. What the fuck?
Well, boys, ladies and gentlemen, that was it.
That's how two professional bowlers bowl, baby.
The only
Look.
Olathe Lanes East, we're coming for you next time.
Tomorrow, baby.
We're coming back.